So in this video, I'm going to explain how to operate the tracking overdue maintenance jobs in Sertica. The users are required to click the task list button on the bottom left of their screen. After that, the task list tab will be shown on the left, where there will be task panel on the task list panel. Go to Sertica Analytics and then click on Check PMS Overdue, then click View Report. The Sertica will show you all the list of overdue maintenance jobs and their details. To track the data easier, you can group your data by certain category. For example, we want to track the overdue maintenance jobs within each unit and by their overdue days and resource. We can simply drag the unit name column header into the area under the overview word, then add overdue days and resource beside it. Now, as you can see, all the overdue maintenance jobs are now grouped by its unit name, overdue days, and resource. With this, you can track and plan your overdue maintenance jobs faster and more accurately. Lastly, please note that for overdue maintenance jobs, it is the most important that the jobs are planned in a particular month are completed in the same month, and it is only tolerated for only 1% of overdue maintenance jobs that can be carried to the next month, where all the critical jobs must be done on time as date it is planned and will not be tolerated as overdue jobs.